mom, huh? You gotta open it.
Where should we go, babe?
Where?
Hold on. Right here? Alright, Bo.
Over here.
Over here, Bo.
Oh, there's a girl. Another girl. Yay for dad. What is it, honey? Boo. What is it? Is that what mommy has in her belly? Look at mom's belly.
The brush is right here. Daddy's gonna paint your hands, but we have to get the sand off of your hands. What are you gonna do with your hands after Daddy paints them? Show mommy. Yep. Come here.
Hey, let mama paint you.
Come here, hon. No, you're gonna paint her.
I'm gonna paint her. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna paint
Hey,
you.
leave it alone, huh? You can't play with that one, all right? Because that's those people's. Oops.